Hello and welcome to Water and Food Quality Monitoring module. In this section, we are about to see the demonstration regarding water quality assessment by measuring pH and TDS of samples collected from tap water, RO water and double distilled water. What you're seeing here is a TDS meter. Before measuring TDS, let's measure pH. For this, we need electrodes. Before measuring, we need to rinse the electrodes. Rinsed electrodes are then placed in double distilled water. The pH meter shows a value of around 7.4 for double distilled water. This means that the water is nearly neutral. Is RO treated water. In this case, the pH value is about 6.4. This implies that water is slightly acidic since all the dissolved constituents were removed. When we place local tap water, the pH value comes around 7.14. Now we are going to measure total dissolved solid content or TDS of these samples using a commercial TDS meter. Since there are no impurities present in double distilled water, it shows TDS content close to 0. RO treated water has trace amount of impurities in it and therefore it shows TDS value of around 34 ppm. Local tap water has more dissolved solids in it and therefore it shows a TDS value of 394 ppm. Now we are moving to the second section of our demonstration where we are going to determine the freshness of food using calorimetric analysis. We take fish extract as a sample. Ninhydrine was used as the reagent for this experiment. To perform this calorimetric experiment, first about 1 ml of phosphate buffer solution was pipetted out in 3 clean test tubes A, B and C. Then about 400 microliters of ninhydrine reagent solution was added to it. Finally, water is added to the test tube A for control sample and cadaverine and putrescine were added to test tubes B and C. The test tubes are gently shaken and they are heated by placing it in a water bath which is heated up to 70 degrees Celsius. As you can see, red color begins to develop in test tubes B and C to which extract has been added. But such change is not seen in test tube A to which water was added. After 3 minutes, we can clearly observe the red coloration in tubes added with the extract. The formation of red color clearly implies that the fish was spoiled. The spoiled food has been studied by monitoring the formation of putrescine and cadaverine. If these amines were formed, then it can be known that food samples have been spoiled due